Again. One more time. Again. Any check engine light come on?
No, nothing this time. Well, it's on when I first turn the key on for a second, but
That's okay.
try it again.
Yes, sir. Please. Try it one more time. Okay, that's enough. And no check engine light, right?
No.